Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to turn off the comment sections on your Instagram post. So to do that, open your Instagram application, and whenever it's perfectly open there will be like 5 sections down part here. So you just need to visit your profile by go click this part, and now you just need to find which content that you want to turn off the comment sections in. So here, let's say I would like to turn off this comment section for this content. So you just need to go with this 3 small dots on this content, and on the third line there will be an information about the turn off commenting. Just go click it, and this comment sections has already disappeared now. There will be an information written here, comments are off. So that is the way how to turn off the comment sections for your Instagram post. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.